If you're looking for a drill that combines power and efficiency, the Porter Cable 20V brushless drill deserves your attention. Its brushless motor delivers 50% more runtime compared to traditional models, meaning you can tackle more projects without constantly swapping batteries. This drill packs a punch with 370 MWO of power, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. Whether you're drilling into tough materials or fastening screws, the motor minimizes stalling to keep your work moving smoothly and without interruption. The 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck stands out for its reliable bit retention, so you won't waste time dealing with slipping bits. Plus, with a maximum speed of 1,800 RPM, it handles both drilling and fastening tasks quickly and efficiently. One of the biggest advantages is its compact size, just 7.4 inches long, which lets you work comfortably in tight spaces where larger drills struggle. Weighing only 3 pounds, it also reduces fatigue during extended use, making it easier to maintain control and precision. The mode collar feature adds versatility by allowing you to switch between drilling and fastening modes without losing your clutch settings. This means you can adjust your work without interrupting your flow or risking damage to your materials. Keep in mind, the battery and charger are sold separately, giving you the flexibility to choose the power options that fit your needs best. This also helps keep the initial cost down if you already own compatible batteries. Porter Cable has a loyal following for a reason. Users across the United States praise this drill for its long battery life and dependable cordless performance, making it a trusted choice for both home projects and professional jobs. If you want a drill that delivers more runtime, solid power, and a lightweight design, the Porter Cable 20V brushless drill is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your toolkit with a reliable, efficient power tool.